Assalamualaikum, welcome to my channel with a Sunday special recipe. Today I'm gonna make double chocolate delight with my kids. First of all, I'm gonna tell you all the ingredients. For this recipe, I'm gonna use chocolate cake half pound. You can also use 4 to 5 cupcakes. Wafer chocolate 5 to 6. You can use any kind of chocolate, Kit Kat and something. I use PERK. Cream 3 tablespoons. Mini cookies 2 packs. Smarties and Waffer. So let's start the recipe. Let's see what's happened next.
Hi everybody.
Okay, put this in this bowl. Ali, do it here also. It's cake. You're putting in the bowl first. कोई बात नहीं. Now we're going to add PERK chocolate.
Hi everybody.
And then put it in this one by one. One by one, one by one. Now it's mommy's turn.
Okay, Mama.
It's cream.
We put it in a chocolate.
Yeah.
We have to put ice cream inside and mix it up.
No, we are not gonna mix it up. We just put layers of chocolate, ice cream, and everything. Now I'm gonna add ice cream into it.
Smell like sweet, mommy. Mommy. A very beautiful sweet.
Yes.
I love this sweet. Oh, make them have that fun.
Okay, our ice cream is done. Now we are gonna add some toppings on it.
Biscuits.
Yeah, cookies.
Milk.
Wait. Yes, now you guys.
Some chocolate. 1, 2, 3,
Our sweet is ready. Now we're gonna wrap it up. We're going to wrap it, then put it into the freezer for half an hour.
5 minutes.
No, 30 minutes. For 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Yes.
Up to the 30 minutes.
Yes.
Our candy is ready. Mama.
Okay, it's almost half an hour and our sweet dish is ready. Yes, it's all done. Yes. Come on, Liquid. Just do it like that.
Like this.
Yes. Here. Okay, now we're gonna add some strawberries too.
Maybe yellow. स्ट्रॉबेरी बहन मुझे भी दे दे स्ट्रॉबेरी
One for Ali Akbar and one for Ilham. Put it in this. So guys, here is our double chocolate delight. My kids love this, and I'm sure every kid will love this because chocolate and kids are made for each other. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.